Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll discuss a new issue called iPad Unavailable, which is similar to the previously known iPad Disabled. But its name changed after the release of iOS 15.2. In this video, we'll explain what it means and how to unlock iPad Unavailable. If you encounter the iPad Unavailable issue, it's important to note that you may lose any unsaved data on your iPad. Depending on how many wrong passcodes you tried, the iPad Unavailable time will be 1, 5, 15 minutes, or even 1 hour or more. But after iOS 17 release, the iPhone Unavailable is easier to fix, and you're able to unlock iPad Unavailable without data loss. On iOS 17 iPad or iPhone, you can see Forgot Password on the screen. Only if you have changed iPad passcode once before. You may have two choices after you entering Forgot Password. One is to enter the previous passcode to reset iPad passcode. The other one is to reset iPad with Apple ID. If you can remember your previous passcode, you just need to set a new passcode to unlock iPad, and you won't lose your iPad data. But if you can't, then you need to reset iPad with your Apple ID password. After reset, during the setup you can restore your data if you have iCloud or iTunes backup for saving from data loss. Another method to solving iPad Unavailable involves using iTunes to unlock your iPad. However, please be aware that this method requires entering recovery mode manually, which can be complex. In this method, you need to connect the recovery mode iPad to iTunes first, then it will pop software downloading agreement. Agree on all. After downloading, click the Restore iPad button. iTunes will restore iPad software, verify iPad restore, and restore iPad firmware. After all of these, the iPad will be restored and restarted. You need to set up the iPad step by step. If you can't remember password, and you don't know how to enter the recovery mode to connect to iTunes, we have an alternative solution is to use any unlock. This method does not require manually entering recovery mode if you have trusted the computer before. Once you connect your iPad, you can unlock it with a simple click of a button. And also it can help you bypass MDM or iCloud activation lock after screen unlocking. Here's how you can use any unlock. First, download any unlock via the link in the description. Select Unlock Screen Passcode Mode, then click on Start Now button. Please connect your iPad to it. If it can't recognize your iPad, you can click the link below and follow the guide to recognize manually. After connecting, you can preview your device info, and you can also customize your download path. Click on the download button. iPad firmware will be downloaded automatically. After downloading, please click the Unlock Now button. Any unlock will start to remove screen passcode. Please wait for a while. After screen passcode is removed successfully, your iPad Unavailable is also solved. Please set up your iPad step by step. And during the setup, you can restore your data from local or cloud backup. If you have another device logged in with the same Apple ID as your iPad, you can use the Find My app to erase your iPad and unlock it. This method can be effective if you have access to another device. You just need to enter the another device link to the same Apple ID. Go to Find My app, find your iPad in your devices list, and tap on Erase this device. You will need to enter Apple ID password to continue. In conclusion, most of the methods mentioned require you to remember a password, such as your previous password or Apple ID password. However, if you don't know any passwords or haven't logged in with an Apple ID, we recommend using any unlock. It offers a simpler operation compared to iTunes and allows you to unlock your iPad without any password hassle. Remember to choose the method that suits your situation best. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.